But wait, there's more. The Sharpe ratio for the same asset can vary widely depending on how frequently you sample it. So in other words, if you sample the prices every year and compute your Sharpe ratio based on yearly statistics, you'll get one number. If you sample monthly, you'll get a different number. If you sample daily, you'll get still another number. The original vision for the Sharpe ratio is that it's an annual measure. And so if we're sampling at frequencies other than annually, we need to add an adjustment factor to make it all work out. So if we have our original Sharpe ratio over here, we multiply it by an adjustment factor called K to get the annualized version. Now what is K? K is simply the square root of the number of samples per year. So for instance, if we're using daily data, there are 252 trading days per year, so K is the square root of 252. If we're, say, taking weekly samples, it'd be square root of 52. Important thing to keep in mind is the number in here is the rate at which we're sampling. So as an example, let's suppose we were trading for 85 days. Because we're sampling at a daily rate, we use this number for our K, square root of 252. Even though we only traded for 89 days, we use 252 here because we're sampling daily. It's the frequency at which we sample that affects this value for K. So recapping, if we sample the value of our portfolio monthly, K is square root of 12. If we do it weekly, it's square root of 52 because there's 52 weeks in a year. And if we sample daily, it's square root of 252. Bringing it all together, if we're using daily data, our Sharpe ratio is square root of 252, that's our K, times mean of our daily returns minus the daily risk-free rate, divided by standard deviation of daily returns.